In a world where spontaneous travel and off-grid getaways are more popular than ever, the Anker SOLIX C300 stands out as a compact, ultra-portable power station built for everyday flexibility. Whether you're powering up your laptop at a campsite or keeping essentials charged during a short outage, the C300 delivers. Big thanks to Anker for sending this over. If you're interested, the purchase link is in the description. Let's get into the unboxing. Inside the box, you'll find the Anker SOLIX C300 portable power station, an AC charging cable, a safety manual, and warranty information. Everything you need to get started right out of the gate. The C300 may be small, but it's mighty. You get 300 watts of continuous output with a 600 watt surge, backed by 288 watt hours of capacity. Enough to run your phone, laptop, fan, camera gear, and even some light appliances all at once. With 8 charging ports, including 3 AC outlets, multiple USB-C and USB-A options, and a car socket, it's one of the most versatile compact power stations we've tested. Charging is fast too. Plug it into a wall outlet and get 80% in just 15 minutes. You can also recharge using solar, your car, or via the PD USB-C port for ultimate flexibility. Portability is a huge win here. Anker claims the C300 is about 15% smaller than similar units and light enough to carry in a backpack. Attach the optional strap and it's ready to go on hikes, road trips, or beach days. And because it's designed with quiet 25 decibel operation, you won't even notice it running while you sleep outdoors. Built to last, the C300 features LiFePO4 batteries rated for 3,000 plus cycles, smart temperature control, and a rugged impact-resistant frame, giving you up to 10 years of use and backed by a 5-year warranty. It's everything you'd expect from the SOLIX name in a travel-size package. Customer response has been strong with an average rating of 4.6 out of 5 stars. Users praise its continuous 300-watt power, portability, and fast recharge times. Others highlight its durable build, Bluetooth app control, and the ability to power gear like mini chainsaws or laptops for hours. Overall, it's seen as a reliable, high-value option for travelers, campers, and everyday backup. Whether you're heading out on an adventure or just want dependable power in a pinch, the Anker SOLIX C300 makes staying charged simple and surprisingly powerful.